Hello, welcome to this particular video. In this video, we'll talk about what is computer. So if you want to give its definition or computer's definition with a single line, then you can say that a computer is an electronic device that stores and processes data. If you want to extend the definition, then you can say a computer is essentially an electronic device that can process information or data. It can take raw data as input and follow a set of instructions, which is also called programs, to process it and produce an output, which can be calculations, storing the information, or even controlling other machines. If you are a developer or coder, if you are in the college level, then you can change the definition in a little bit different way. You can say that a computer is a programmable electronic device capable of performing various tasks by executing the instructions given to it in the form of programs or software. It consists of the hardware components such as central processing unit, as well as RAM or the memory card. It can have the storage like the hard drives or the solid state drives. It can have the input output device like keyboards, mouse, monitors, printers, and the connectivity options such as the network interface. A computer includes both the hardware and the software. In general, hardware comprises the visible or physical elements of the computer, and the software provides the invisible instructions that control the hardware and make it perform specific tasks. Knowing computer hardware is not essential to learning a programming language, but it can be helpful, or it can help you to better understand the effects that a program's instruction have on the computer and its component. So the main point over here, computer can process the data, it can perform calculation, stores and retrieve the information, it can communicate with other device or user over the internet, and execute a wide range of applications and software programs. They come in various forms of size, from the large mainframe computer used in the enterprises to a personal computer, or we can say it desktop or laptops, and the handheld device like smartphones or tablets. The versatility of the computer has made them indispensable tools in nearly every aspects of modern life, from businesses and the education to entertainment and communication. In the next video, we'll talk about a computer consists of different types of hardware components, and we'll try to explore which are the major hardware components that a computer can contain, and we'll discuss about them. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.